Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson, president of APICS Inland Empire and of LMA Consulting Group. We just concluded our executive panel and networking symposium on collaboration for advanced manufacturing and supply chain success. And I'm really excited and energized that we had such an engaging panel talk about the future of supply chain and advanced manufacturing. And I would say the three takeaways that we could all note is, one is that collaboration is no longer a fluffy topic. We need to look for ways to make 1 + 1 not equal 2, but equal 22. So that means we have to look for ways to collaborate with people that we haven't previously thought about. We all think about, to some degree, collaborating with our customers and our suppliers, but how about our internal teams, and how about our competitors and other supply chain partners like equipment suppliers and technology suppliers? So we need to think about collaboration in a new way because it's driving bottom line results. The second takeaway, I'd say, is that technology is something that we need to be looking at, and is specifically innovation. We have to be willing to fail and to try again, because all success stems from people who are willing to step out, do things in a new way. It doesn't mean you have to invent the new iPod or iPhone or sticky pad as the 3M case, but you have to find new combinations of things, new ways, new collaboration partners. And innovation and technology can be extremely important to the future of supply chain. But we have to keep in mind, and the panel actually had an interesting debate about this, that we have to look at innovation and how we practically apply what we come up with for bottom line results, for customer improvement, and for sustainability and green improvement. So that would be the second takeaway of the session. And the third is that we have an enormous, vast potential in the Inland Empire and in Southern California to take supply chain and advanced manufacturing to a whole nother level. We are number one already in logistics in the U.S., and we want to be number one in terms of the complete picture, from research through continuing education, use of technology, and the skilling and training of our workforce. So we want to take that to a whole nother level, and we have that opportunity, as well as combining efforts between manufacturing and logistics and other areas. How do we bring this to a whole new level? There's such opportunity and need for skills that we have a really, really bright future. So I really look forward to the future, and I would leave you with this thought. Collaboration is the key to where you'll achieve the most significant value in your businesses in the next year.